today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Canva to Notion. If you want to display a Canva design directly inside a Notion page, the process is very simple, and once it's set up, you'll be able to view your Canva content as a live embed without constantly switching between platforms. This is especially useful for presentations, whiteboards, planning boards, or any design you want to keep accessible inside your workspace. To get started, open Canva and go to the design, whiteboard, or presentation that you want to embed into Notion. Make sure you are opening the exact file you want to display, because the link you copy will be connected to that specific Canva project. Once the design is open and fully loaded, head to the top right corner of the Canva window and click the Share button. After that, look through the sharing options and select More. This will open additional actions and sharing methods. From there, choose Embed. Canva will then generate a smart embed link for your design. This is the link that allows Notion to display your Canva content properly. So be sure to use the embed link provided here rather than copying the URL from your browser bar. Now, go ahead and copy that smart embed link. This step is important because the correct link ensures that your design appears as an interactive preview inside Notion, instead of just showing up as plain text or a standard hyperlink. Next, switch over to Notion and open the page where you want the Canva design to appear. Click on an empty block on the page so your cursor is active and ready for input. Then paste the Canva embed link using Ctrl+V on Windows or Ctrl+V on Mac. Notion will recognize that the content can be embedded and will usually give you the option to display it directly. When that option appears, click Create Embed. After a moment, you should see a live Canva preview appear right inside your Notion page. This makes it much easier to keep your design work, visual plans, or presentations connected to your notes and project documentation in one place. If the preview doesn't appear right away, give it a second to load and make sure you copied the Smart Embed link from Canva's Embed option. That's the key part of making this work smoothly, and that's it. You've successfully connected Canva to Notion and embedded your design into your page. Thanks for watching.